Alright guys, LASFIT came out with some mud guards. So here they are. They actually came out with the front and the rear. This one is for the rear, it says rear right there. And then, yeah, on the back side, it says for the Model Y, RR, so right rear. So you got the rear mud guards. This one's for the front. So it's nice that it comes with the front and the rear in the kit. So yeah, what else? Also comes with the hardware, all the new fasteners that you're going to replace the existing fasteners with. So should be a pretty easy install. Let's go ahead and get started. Installation of these mud guards are pretty easy. So we're going to start with the front. Quite honestly, it's better just to turn the wheel so that way you have access to the inside here of the fender well. And what we're going to do here is remove, there's two little clips down here on the front that you want to remove, and all you're going to do is simply just take a little flathead screwdriver, and there's a little tab here that you're going to insert your screwdriver, and you just basically pop it out and it comes out. Now again, the new mud guards come with some new clips, so you don't have to reuse those, but you may want to keep them just in case you want to reinstall those clips later on in the future. Mudguard has a pretty nice little tab here that's going to fit within this trim piece here, and then of course those two holes down here at the bottom are going to line up with the existing holes where we took out those original fasteners. So let's go ahead and slide this on here, line up the holes, and then go ahead and push in the new fasteners into the existing holes. You don't need any tools to install these new fasteners. You basically just push it in there with your thumb, and that should be about it. So front's done, let's move on to the rear. So just like the front, at the rear, we're going to remove these two little clips. Again, just have your flathead screwdriver, fit it within the tab, and again, it should just pop right out. Just like that. And then you can just pull it out with your hand. At the bottom is a 10mm bolt that we actually need to remove as well, because we're going to reuse that. Again, here's that bolt we just removed at the bottom side of the rear bumper. So again, hold on to that because we're going to reuse these. Again, on the back side says Model Y, RL, rear left, and so that way you know which way this goes. So, and just like the front has this little tab here that we're going to slide within the trim piece here, and then the little bolt that we took out of the bottom of the bumper, we're going to reattach that bolt that we took out earlier. So it's easier to slide this tab piece towards the bottom and then push it up into place to line up all the holes as well. Now we're going to go ahead and install the provided fasteners. Again, you don't need any tools for this. Just go ahead and line it up within the existing holes and then just push it in. Then at the bottom, we're going to install the bolt that we took out earlier with a 10mm socket. That should be it. These LASFIT mudguards look pretty nice, guys. I mean, the profile's pretty nice. They fit really well. Snug up against the trim and the bumper here. Pretty easy install, of course. And then, so we have the front. Again, they look pretty nice, pretty sleek. And so hopefully they help protect the side of the car here. But overall, pretty nice product by LASFIT. I'll put a link down in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. But highly recommend picking these up, guys. These are really nice, really nice. They fit really well, and the installation is pretty easy. Let me know what you think. Again, check the link down at the bottom to check them out for yourself. But if you guys found these helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. All right, catch you guys in the next one. See ya.